This is a French mystery clock by A.R.Guilmet, made in Paris around 1875. A mystery clock is called as such because you can't see what's operating it. The movement swings in a hand and the pendulum swings above the dial. You can actually lift the figure and the pendulum off from it. There's nothing connecting the pendulum that actually operates how fast and slow that it runs to the clock. They're quite unique. Not that many of them around nowadays. Guilmet took out a patent for this. 3 patents, one in 1867, 1872 and 1874. The movement in the clock runs for 8 days and it strikes the hours and the half hours on a bell. The case is made of black marble with gilded ornamentation. The figure is very nice. It is extremely detailed with pleated hair and a hand holding a bell. It's a beautiful piece all in, and it would be an asset to any clock collection. Thank you for watching.